Imagine a stealth fighter jet that could change the balance of air power in the region, and its first real flight is just months away. Turkish Aerospace Industries has confirmed that the first true flight prototype of Turkey's KAAN fifth-generation fighter jet is expected to take to the skies by May or June 2026. This is a huge milestone because until now, the program was still in early test phases. Right now, 3 dedicated flight prototypes are being built, and they will carry the main flight testing campaign. The earlier prototype that already flew twice is no longer flying. Instead, it is being used only for ground and system testing, which helps engineers verify systems without risking the main test aircraft. Each prototype goes through months of intense ground testing, including fuel system checks, electrical system validation, and resonance testing. This is why schedules often shift slightly, but Turkish Aerospace Industries says these are normal adjustments, not major delays. The first prototype is almost ready to fly. The second is expected by the end of 2026, and the third should join testing in late 2026 or early 2027. This allows Turkey to test multiple jets at the same time and speed up development. Now let's talk about production. Serial production deliveries are now planned for 2029 instead of 2028. Around 20 aircraft are expected in the first official order, and these jets are meant to replace Turkey's F-16 fighters starting in the 2030s. For engines, Turkey is using a smart phased approach. Early KAAN jets will use the American GE F-110 engine, the same type used on Turkish F-16s. This reduces risk and makes maintenance easier, but this is only temporary. Turkey is developing its own powerful TF-3500 engine designed to produce around 35,000 pounds of thrust. The goal is to integrate this engine by 2032, giving Turkey full independence from foreign suppliers. Export plans are already in motion. Indonesia has signed a framework deal worth around $15 billion and is expected to be the first export customer. Interestingly, Indonesia is willing to wait for the fully indigenous engine version to avoid foreign restrictions. The KAAN has already proven it can fly. It completed its first flight in February 2024 and a second flight in May 2024, reaching up to 10,000 feet. Since then, the program has added new airframe improvements, redesigned air intakes, and a fully Turkish weapon package. All of this shows that the KAAN program is moving from a prototype phase to a serious next-generation fighter program with real production plans and international interest. If Turkey succeeds, KAAN could become one of the most important new fighter jets of the 2030s. Subscribe for more updates and comment to show your opinions.